Hello again, everyone. Today I am doing what I suppose is a haul video. I've never really called a video a haul before, but this is a new box of art supplies. Everything in here other than this top stencil is from Blick. This stencil I got from Amazon, and this is a rectangular stencil. It has some other things in here too, but I got this mostly so that I can make little rectangles for watercolor swatches. I have made a few stencils that would work this way, but they're not really that sturdy, and I figured this might last a while. I got a square stencil too that's coming in a separate package, but I figured I would try this out. I don't know anything about this company, the Timely company that made this stencil, but I might try and use this on a video sometime soon. So there's that, and again, I kind of wanted to take everything out of the box on the video with you. That may or may not have been the best logistic choice, but we'll go ahead and do that. So there's my little order sheet there. This is a full tube of burnt sienna from Holbein because I am switching to burnt sienna in my everyday travel palette from, I had Winsor Newton burnt sienna in it before, so I'm switching to this, so I figured I'd get a tube so that I could have it handy. And then, oh, this is perfect because this is the color among, well, it's a couple colors, but one of the colors I have been waiting for. So Indian red is one of the colors that I've been waiting for to fill a particular watercolor palette that I have filled on the channel, but I was missing this Indian red, so that I was waiting for. I'm not going to be swatching any of these today. This is really just a haul video. So, and I also got manganese blue hue because I have it in a palette and I'm kind of running through it, and I did not have a tube of it, so that's why I got that. And they usually put them in these little Daniel Smith boxes, and they did the same for the Holbein when they ship it. They just put it in the boxes that they get them in sometimes. Okay, and then this is a little porcelain palette. I will put this off to the side and then open it. And then this, let me put the box down. This is a little packet of professional grade watercolor paper from Shizen, which is made in India. I wanted to try this out. It's a really rough texture, and it comes in these little pre-cut sheets. It's 100% cotton. There's 50 sheets in here. It's 140 pound, aka 300 GSM, and they're all 5x7. So I just kind of wanted to try some different watercolor paper, and this was actually fairly inexpensive. I think it was on sale at Blick, and so I just wanted to try it out. I'll probably test this out in a different video at a later time, but I just wanted to do the unboxing of that today. And then this, let me get that card from Blick. They're just saying thank you because everybody's having a hard time, so they're all being very nice about it. So this is a porcelain palette for mixing and possibly just holding water, depending on how big this is. It is the Jack Richardson hand glazed porcelain palette, and when I open it up, it'll look like this. So let's see here. I think I might need my scissors again to open that. Alright, hopefully this is still all in one piece. You never know with porcelain, but oh my god, that's huge. Alright, now if I can just get it out of the bag, we'll be golden. All right, yeah, so I probably will use this for water. So the this is hollow inside, which was, some people had a complaint about that because it makes it a little bit more brittle to have it hollow inside like that, but it's okay. I mean, it made it here fine. It doesn't seem to be cracked anywhere, at least not that I can tell. Looks like there might be a crack on the inside, but that might just be the surface. So, but what my plan was is to use this for water so that I can have 3 different water cups essentially here at the same time. So the practical use of that, let me get this bubble wrap out of the way. I used to save bubble wrap to do mixed media because I would make a lot of impressions with paint, painting it on the bubble wrap and then putting it on mixed media pieces, but I haven't been doing that since the whole COVID thing because I like right now I need to not touch my face and wash my hands after dealing with all that. But anyway, that's the paranoia in me talking perhaps, but better safe than sorry, I say. So if you have 3 different containers for water, you can essentially dirty one. So you'd have one dirty and then you can just go around until you get to clean water. So maybe I would use this as my larger dirty one and then I could go to these 2 progressively. Eventually you'd end up with a clean one, right? So you rinse it out once here and then you're probably still going to have a little bit of watercolor and then you can rinse it out here and then so this will be sort of your secondary slightly dirty water and then you'd hopefully end up with one pot that is, or one area here that is still clean. So that is my plan. We'll see if I actually end up using it. I probably would just use this for studio use. Obviously, I'm not going to be hauling this anywhere, so it would just be for home studio use. But we'll see. So I am going to go ahead and finish filling my palette that I have set aside here, and I am going to do the swatching of that entire palette soon. So you'll see that eventually when I do that wooden palette as my or one of my final travel palette swatching videos. So we're all set up for that now. All right, I'm still waiting on a red, but I have enough red in there that I could sample it now. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.